Amakhulu amalungu e-ANC azothamele ingqungquthela yokukhetha ubuholi beqembu asamile ngaphandle lapho kubhaliswa khona azama ukubhalisa ukuze athole izigqebhezana eziwagunyaza ukuba athamele ingqungquthela. Usotswebhu ANC uPhemi Majodina uthi isimo asisihle njengoba ziningi izithunywa ezingakabhalisi.
We have a lot of candidates or delegates who have not as yet registered. There was mix up in terms of names. There was mix up in terms of their photos. That is why now the registration center has reopened to allow members to register again. And we really want to apologize for all the mishaps as the NEC. It was not intentionally.
Uthi ingqungquthela angeke iqale uma izithunywa ezizovota zingakabhalisi.
Supposed to start at 10 o'clock, but you cannot start when you still have voting delegates who are supposed to be accredited that are still outside, are waiting for their accreditation. Let's just be patient, but certainly the conference will start.
Uyiphikisile imbiko ethi kukhona ezinye izithunywa ezingakwazi ukubhalisa.
Not that report as yet, but we do have provincial secretaries, the steering committee that went through each and every region, each and every province, and by yesterday we were assured that all delegates are in the system. What is left is for them to get their name tags.
Oyilungu eliphumayo lesigungu esiphezulu se-ANC uzizi kodwa uyaphendula ngezinkinga malungana nezigqebhezana ezigunyaza ezithunywa kule ngqungquthela.
As far as I recall, none of them started on time for various reasons. You've got people who come from the furthest provinces, for example, a province called Western Cape to come to Gauteng, but Samayaka bus is about 18 to 20 hours. You know that we don't do registration in provinces for a number of reasons. So when they gather here, about 5,000, it's quite a serious administrative, there are a number of challenges. We did well yesterday. At some point, I think the technology just got tired. And therefore, these are the challenges sometimes you do not anticipate. But I'm certain that we will start, as it was explained by our spokesperson, Pulemabe, as you said, as it was explained by our chairperson, we will start.
Nabadayisayo ngaphandle kwendawo ekubanjelwe kuyo ingqungquthela ye-ANC yamashumi amahlanu nanhlanu banethemba lokuthi bazobuya nonsumbulwana.
Yonke into be expensive, inyama, ama-veg, that we try ukuthi at least if we get something angeke kufane nokuhlala phansi, but ukudla ku-expensive and kufanele sivumelane sonke as ama-trader ukuthi sokhokha malini, but it's very expensive. Akusafani nakuqala.
Zingu-4,500 izithunywa ze-ANC ezizothamela ingqungquthela yokukhetha ubuholi ezophela ngoLwesibili.